Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable call bearing on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025. This is the phone app, and to enable or disable call bearing, tap on these three dots, tap on settings, go down, tap on supplementary services, wait here for a few seconds, and here we have call bearing. Tap on this feature, again wait for a few seconds. And from here you can choose outgoing calls or incoming calls. We have bearing for all outgoing calls, international calls, or except home. And for incoming calls, again, all incoming calls or all incoming calls when roaming. Okay, after you choose your option, just tap on it. Here you can enter a password, for example 3256, and then tap OK. Wait for a few seconds. We have here a message, failed to read data, call bearing rejected. This message is from my network provider. I don't know why, but this is the way to bear your calls. So this was my video for today. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comment area. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.